Hello and welcome back again. Part 2 of module number 10, time series and visualization. I will talk about the actual conversion of time series into R and specifically to ggplot2. The first example that I lay out for you in Canvas is taken from a textbook page 96, and where he lay out giving a data set that he posted on the web that you can pull the data in your RStudio into your application and start running it as if there is the ability to do the calculation and be able to generate visualization that looks something like that, which is quite cool and proficient. I want to start this session about a little bit more about the background of ggplot2 and talk about the issue of the canvas that ggplot2 create. And again, if you are not familiar with ggplot2, when you open your RStudio, one of the things that will pop up is the ability to run at the same time as your code, run a package. Example, if you look at search here, ggplot2, and you will have the ability to run your code as library in the ggplot2, which is where all the platform or all the ideas of it embedded. So in this case, the option screen 999 library ggplot2, which will give you basically the canvas that I talked about, which is not clean, but it is very precise with regard to what we are trying to achieve. In this case, we have two variables, and those variables are laid out for us in order for us to employ and create a simple plot. In this case, we can add basically another layer to the data in order for us to apply to it. So again, I lay out for you define the colors. What I want from you, I want to see is something else. Add something that is belong to you, that you can be the one who created. Example, gray and dark. Change it to a different color. Do something that not only copy it one to one, which is great, but it is boring, and make it more your own creation. So just learn about the data, learn what they did, and try to improvise and try to create something that you can take ownership on it, which is really important, because one of the things that we always learn is that we learn from the masters, and then we try to implement that to our own work. Another example that I lay out to you with the code and everything else, and again, you can see where is all the layers, where is the record, where is the title coming on, and what is the color that will fill it up. And again, this is the same take on the subject with regard. Really important that I want you to see something else, to show something else that you created. And the last example, the same result in different dimensions with regard to time series. So all those things have in common, and be able to apply different aspect of it and try to create your own. Something that is really important to me. I really emphasize that I want to see your input. Your blog might be very interesting, saying, hey, I tried to do that, it did not work out, this is what I need. I will come and help you. I will give you full support, and you get full credit for that. But I want you to have your own creation, your own work on it, instead of copying it and paste it as if it's yours. This is, again, the issue of your creation, your work. Do implementation, add a little, even a little small piece of the visualization to make it yours, and own it as if this is your work. That's it. I hope you enjoy it. This is a small short video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope that you make more sense. Until next time, and I will give you the links to all the necessary links that you need to have in order for you to create a better visualization and with time series. And please do not hesitate to ask any question. Until next time, have fun.